Hey guys, so I do have iOS 9, the first beta here on my iPhone 6, and then I have my Galaxy S6 Edge with Samsung's TouchWiz UI, Android 5.2 I think it is. So let's see here if it can compete against that in terms of speed. So let's go! We can also check out the UI a little bit, see how they stack up against each other. Oof. Not that far behind, but it definitely was behind. Let's see here. So, let's start off here with making sure everything is closed. And then we can see when we are running here about device, Android 5.2. It's gonna get Android 5.1 in June from what I've heard. And then when you have iOS 9.0 beta, the first beta here. So let's open up some stuff here. Wow. Was that just me or was that a major difference? Let's see here. Are we running on the same Wi-Fi? Again, let's go in here. We are in settings. Go to the Wi-Fi section. Let's go for 5G. 5G. Okay. So let's launch the stores here on both devices. Oof. Yeah. Let's launch the gallery. Let's open up a picture. Let's go out again, and let's see here. Let's open up some other apps like the clock. Even though these apps doesn't take that much, you will see some. Then when we, let's open up the camera. I'm just gonna open up a lot of apps here, and then you can see how the multitasking section looks like. So you can see here how kind of Apple has a little bit kind of copied Apple, or they have copied Android design here, Apple, with this kind of swipe UI, a little bit card-based UI, but they have made it in another way, how you swipe like this. And I actually gotta say, even though both are smooth here, I gotta say it looks a little bit more swag, I gotta say, in iOS 9. I mean, that looks really nice. But both really good performance in there. Let's open up the browser here on both devices, and let's just launch a website that I haven't went into on any of these devices. So let's try The Verge. Okay. So let's go. So you can judge for yourself, of course, in terms of speed there. But let's open up here. Oops. What I gotta love here still with Android is, like, if you can see the scrolling, how nice and smooth it is here in Android. I really gotta say Apple needs to work on that. I find it to be too slow still in iPhones. You can see here how in terms of search, how, oh, was that lag? But this is the new like Spotlight search, which gives you Siri suggestions in here. I'm probably also gonna compare the voice assistants on both these devices. So we have new Siri here, which looks extremely cool, and then we do have Samsung's S voice assistant. So I mean, I have to compare them because they look pretty cool both. But not in this video. This is just the first little look here. And yeah, let's see here. Let's open up Maps. Even though we can get Google Maps on both these devices. You have more transit information, public transit inside of iOS 9, so it will be easier if you use trains a lot. It will be easier if you live in a big city, so that is nice. But I mean, again, I have to check out Maps in the video. Let's see here. Let's open up a folder as well. It looks a little bit different. Of course, you do have still the control center in iOS 9. You don't get anything like that inside of the Galaxy here, but then again, you do have it over up here, where you have these quick little toggles that you can tweak. Here, you can change the default ones. And then, of course, Samsung's notification center, or where you get notifications, is down here. Here, you swipe down, and you can get some widgets here today, and then you can swipe to the other side there to get notifications. And Samsung's kind of like search here is S Finder, of course. And I gotta say, I mean, if you go to the Spotlight section, you kind of can see how they look pretty identical. How things you search for here, you see series suggestions here. I mean, they do kind of copy each other, which is pretty funny. So yeah, but definitely let me know if you want to see something specific. This is just a quick little look here. Of course, you do have themes and cool stuff inside of the Galaxy device that you can't get inside of the iPhone at the moment. But yeah, I might do some more videos. So yeah, have an awesome day and 2 great operating systems. Hopefully you did enjoy this little look here, and have an awesome day. Peace.